Okay, this is lesson 10.3. You're on page 413. To start it, we're doing customary weight. How can you compare and convert customary units of weight? So we have, we're going to start with a bar model. Let's see what this is. It says Hector School is having a model rocket competition. To qualify, each rocket must weigh 4 pounds or less. Hector's unpainted rocket weighs 62 ounces. What is the weight of the most paint he can use for his model rocket? Now up at the top of your paper it has a little, it's a weight really, and it's divided into ounces. So 1 pound is equal to how many ounces? 16. So you should fill 16 in on your paper. Okay? So then 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. That's right out beside that little model. So 16 plus 16 plus 16 is what?
64.
64. Okay? So total of 1 pound is 4. Are we going to multiply? We're going from pound. That's 4 pounds, and we need to figure out how many ounces. So are we going to multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Okay. How many ounces in a pound?
16
is equal to 64. Subtract the rocket's weight from the total ounces a rocket can weigh to qualify. So how much did his rocket weigh? 62. So he can have up to 64 ounces. That's the rule, 4 pounds. And we figured out that 4 pounds is equal. So he has 2 ounces left. So the weight of the paint can be at most 2 ounces for Hector's model rocket to qualify for entry. So he can't use more than 2 ounces of paint on his rocket or it will weigh too much. Okay, we've moved to the example on page 414. Rocket boosters for a U.S. space shuttle weigh 292,000 pounds each when the shuttle is launched. How many tons does each rocket booster weigh? Hopefully this gives us our conversion. So 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces and 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. What operation are we going to do? Since pounds is smaller than tons, we need to
multiply.
Pounds is smaller than tons, we need to divide. The number of pounds by 2,000. Okay? Break 2,000 into 2 factors that are easy to divide by mentally. So they gave you 2. So 2 times what is 2,000?
1,000.
1,000. Divide 1,292,000 by the first factor. What is our first factor here? 1,000, right? Because the 2 numbers that you multiply are factors. So 1,000. Now, if you remember clear back to the beginning of the year, we could just cross off these 3 zeros since we can cross off 3 zeros here. And our answer then is 1,292. So then 1,292 divided by 2 is 646. So each rocket booster weighs 646 tons. All right, it says use the picture to complete each equation. So this is a picture of a pound. These are ounces. How many ounces are in this? If we count them. 16. We have a 4 by 4 array, right? 4 down, 4 across. So how many would 2 pounds be? We'd have to double 16.
32 ounces.
Then we'd have to add 16 to that to get 3 pounds.
48.
We'd have to double this or add 16 to this.
64.
And then we'd have to add another 16.
80.
What?
80.
Okay. Everybody get those? We're going to move on. Okay. Now it says convert 5 tons. Oh, this must be on the next page.
10,000.
Turn to page 415. This is number 5 at the top of page 415. 5 ton. How many pounds in a ton? Do you remember?
2,000.
So we have 5 times 2,000. So 5 times 0, 0, 0, and then 5 times 2 is 10. So 10,000 pounds. This is number 7, 16,000 pounds to tons. Now here we were going tons to pounds, so we multiplied. So what are we going to do on this? We're going to divide this by, divide by 2,000. Again, if you have 3 zeros in each, you can cross those out. 16 divided by 2 is 8 tons. This is number 9. Now they're going ounces to pounds. So we're going from a small unit to a large unit. So we're going to, what are we going to do? Multiply or divide? Divide. So we're going to say 416 divided by what? 16. How many 16s and 41?
2.
2. What is that?
32.
32. How many 16s and 96? We didn't get to that. 6. So 416 ounces is 26 pounds.